Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make elderberry syrup. This is such a great recipe because elderberries are so packed with antioxidants and vitamins, and it helps boost your immune system, it helps protect your heart, it tames inflammation, reduces stress, and also it's really great because it helps to reduce and ease cold and flu-like symptoms. So if you feel like you have a cold or if you feel like you're getting a cold, then having the elderberry syrup will not only reduce the symptoms, but it also shorten the length that you have the cold. All right, let's get started. For this elderberry syrup recipe, we're going to need 3 cups of water, around 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of dried elderberries, 1 large cinnamon stick or 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 whole anise stars, about half a teaspoon of whole cloves, and usually one would use half a cup of honey, but if you're vegan, you would use either vegan honey or any other sweetener of your choice. Make the elderberry syrup. We're going to put all the ingredients into a pot except for the honey. I already have the elderberries in the pot. Now I'm going to add everything else besides the honey. Now we're going to put it on medium-high heat for about 45 minutes to an hour and stir it regularly until it reduces by half. Once it's reduced by half, we're going to turn the heat off and set it aside and let it cool completely. It's reduced to about half, so now I'm going to turn off the heat and set it aside so it can cool completely. The elderberry syrup has cooled completely and it's reduced a lot. I've taken out the cinnamon stick since it's really big, and now I'm going to pour this through a sieve into a measuring cup and squeeze all of the juice from the elderberries out. Now I'm going to pour the honey in with the syrup and then whisk it together. After that, I'll pour it into our squeeze bottle over here. Now that it's all whisked together, I'm going to put it in the squeeze bottle. You can put it in a reusable squeeze bottle or a glass jar, whatever you'd like to use to store this. This is a pretty good size right here. I'm going to put this in the fridge so it can cool down even more, get cold. And so this is great to have if you're not feeling, if you're feeling great, you don't feel like you have any cold symptoms. Have 1 tablespoon a day, every day, as much as you can. And if you do feel like you're having some symptoms of a cold or anything, you feel under the weather, then just have 1 tablespoon 3 times a day until the symptoms go away. And not that many people have elderberries with them in their pantry. So I got these ones from Amazon, dried organic elderberries. You can get these from Amazon, order them online. And it's great to have a lot of elderberry syrup so that you have enough to have daily. And my mom and I loved having this every day. And it's great. It helps prevent us from getting any symptoms or feeling under the weather. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Always remember, think good thoughts, speak kind words, feel love, be love, and give love. Namaste. Peace.